7:20 bus service, and it goes from Harrow and Wealdstone. Well, Harrow bus station to where is it going? Oh yeah, Watford Junction. And this is YX09HKT X London United wrapped, still in the wrapped London United livery interior. However, on the exterior it has Thorpe Park, as this is now on a Thorpe Park bus. Thorpe Park, yes. And the one that I got before this one, I'm currently with a friend that will remain anonymous, the bus that we got before this one was a Sullivan Buses reg. It was a really odd reg, so don't ask me to read it out, but it was London Buses and it had the display. This one doesn't, but this one's cool. This is X London United. New to the 72 and 33 bus. And yes. If you're lucky, I'll film a bit on the 718. Get on the way back. Now, one thing that's odd is that you've got this. I don't know what this is, but yeah, I don't think this does roller blind anymore. No, this doesn't do roller blind because it's static. Yes, it does. It does have the same bell. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a nice tour of X London United YX09HKT. This is on the rail replacement on the 7:20 bus route between Watford Junction and Harrow on the Hill. It terminates at Harrow bus station and they display Harrow and Wealdstone. But yeah, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.